So this is a pretty basic, simple light. We're just doing it for temporary. But to install a lot of these lights are pretty much the same. They have a couple slots in here. This is for 3-inch holes or 4-inch holes, depending on what kind of box you have. In this case, it's a 3-inch hole, so we can use this option here. It comes with ground, orange, white, neutral, and a black, hot. And so you just connect the ground, connect the whites, connect the black, and just strip it. Like if there's nothing here, just strip it and cut it off and show with 14 gauge. 14, you find 14 and about let's see, like 5/8 of an inch or so. I don't know, plus or minus, like that. And grab a wire nut, grab the fixture wire, twist the aluminum strands, hold it tight, let the aluminum strands go a little bit past the solid wire, and you hold it tight with your left fingers, and you twist. Once it starts getting close to your fingers, and I'll let go until it starts twisting on each other, then you're good. Now these are screws from an old light fixture. These are 832 2-inch screws. I'm gonna take this off. And then with these ones, it has to go, so I just barely get it started because it has to go through the light fixture. And you'll see in just a moment. Get this one started around the same height. Then stuff all these in the blocks. Best you can, and so it doesn't go around the screws. Okay, once you get closer up here, find where it's angled this way, and then find your 3-inch holes right here and right here. And then there's a bigger slot. Goes in the bigger slots first. Ooh, don't breathe, insulation, and then twist. And then secure. The reason why you twist is because it has a bigger head and then smaller. So the screw head goes in this bigger slot, and when you twist it, the screw head goes into the slot and holds the light fixture. And put the light bulbs in. Make sure they're not cross-threading. Open these little guys up. And put the glass on. When you're connecting the glass, just tighten it by hand so you don't over tighten and break the glass. Evenly disperse the tightening the screws. Pretty good, pretty tight, all 3 screws. It's holding on. Light turns on. We're good.